A blind homeless man and another disabled resident are now homeowners under the Montego Bay Mayor's project targeting persons badly affected by Hurricane Melissa. Krista Campbell has our story.
A one-bedroom board house in Barragetown, St. James may be modest accommodation to many. But to a blind man living under a tree since the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025, this is paradise. Frederick Jackson is one of two disabled persons chosen for a pilot of the Montego Bay Mayor's Charity House project aimed at tackling homelessness in the wake of the hurricane.
I pray for every one of you. I put every one of you in a prayer. Those who build me palace for me and make me can sleep. You know, when I get my bed, I believe it will come.
TVJ News met Mr. Jackson in December 2025. 2 months after Melissa tore through the parish. Between tears, he explained that his poor living conditions started before the hurricane.
I used to sleep a bush. Sometimes I sleep back behind someone's house and some zinc and them come and run me. And I say, all right. So I went downtown, I went down one lady yard and my lady said, well, I can't go no further now. Man said to me, say, you know, keep baby there. So I find a place and a lady rescue me.
But according to the man, left blind after being stuck in one eye and slowly losing vision in the other, that did not stop him from being the target of thieves.
Them take all of my clothes and all of my shoes. I don't have nothing because some people are helping back in the house.
And that's where Montego Bay Mayor Richard Vernon's pilot Charity House project comes in. It's been a saving grace for Mr. Jackson and another disabled resident.
Since we did a repair of their roofs and sections of their house, and those persons are now able to move back in, and that will impact 25 persons who are now able to go into a safe space and, of course, protected from the elements.
But the mayor notes it's not been without challenge.
When we just started the pilot project, we realized that many of the hardwares they did not have the materials needed to complete those homes. Now, I know that there are challenges. Even with the roofs program, persons are trying to access the funding, access the materials at the hardware. Some persons are saying to me that the hardwares that they're going to, they don't have the supply, but we have to see how best we can identify, suppliers who are able to deliver within the specified time.
As for Mr. Jackson's vision,
When I burn my